finally, more new Pokemon from Scarlet and Violet. Tonight we're going to draw a new Pokemon named Cetitian. Cetitian is one of the new Pokemon for the new series that is being released. And well, I've taken a liking for this Pokemon. To draw Cetitian, we start by, of course I drew the eye. Now we're going to draw the spikes. Got this. Alexa, play Mighty Little Gecko.
Here's Mighty Little Gecko by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
G is for a super lizard grip. E is for the strength of an elephant. You know that he's got courage, you just got to believe. He's A-O-K-K-O, gecko. When the sun is up, he goes by gray. But in the night is when he sees the day. You can hear him call, cool chameleons. He's A-O-K-K-O, gecko. He might be small, but his heart is big. He might be young, but he's got super lizard grit. Sometimes he gets himself into some trouble.
Here's his backside. And lastly, we draw his spike. There he is. That is how you draw Cetitian. Quite a fast draw, but worth it. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.